In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant bleeder screw in this BMW X5. This is going to be located in the upper radiator hose. Let's get into it. You want to make sure the engine is cold when you do this. We're going to take the cap off just to make sure there's no pressure in there. Do this slowly. The coolant level is full. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to unscrew the old bleeder. Take that out. Take the new bleeder screw. Get that lined up. And snug that down. If you need to, you can top off the coolant and put the cap back on. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.